Here's a great question that isn't talked about enough. What if I don't want to use the camera on Wi-Fi? Will the camera still work? To answer your question simply, yes. All the cameras we offer have the ability to store information internally to a memory card, so the Wi-Fi portion is a secondary feature. There is a few differences with setup though. Some of the cameras have physical switches that allow for quick customization, while others will require the initial setup to be done through an app. Let me explain this using some examples. Take the Wi-Fi DIY security camera kit for example. The switches on the side allow you to not only operate the camera independently of the internet, but also allow you to decide on continuous or motion activation. Other cameras, such as the Wi-Fi security camera with rotatable lens, does not have these extra switches, but can be internally programmed using the app, giving you the ability to change between motion, continuous, as well as setting up the time and date stamp. You see, when initially programming the device wirelessly, you're not connecting it to the internet, but instead using what's called P2P to change the settings. The camera will only communicate to the internet by telling the camera what internet and what password to use. Using P2P allows you to access the camera's footage even when internet is not available. So even if the camera is at a storage facility or remote location, you can simply be near the camera and access the camera right from your phone. Just ensure the P2P connection is enabled and you can review without needing to lug around a laptop or computer. This is a major advantage and also adds an extra layer of security, even if you plan to use the camera's Wi-Fi feature. Similar Wi-Fi cameras may only offer remote cloud storage, and this can potentially lead to information being missed, since the camera is fully reliant on an internet connection. The internally storage feature is also on professional level security cameras, making multiple levels of recording redundancy possible. This opens up a ton of possibility for cameras. So if you don't have Wi-Fi access, you can still use the camera that fits your need. And, like always, do like and subscribe. And if you have any other tests or tech questions you would like me to answer, feel free to let me know.